Hi, my name is Dave Orellana, and I am the Manager Recruitment and International Partnership for York University School of Continuing Studies in Toronto, Canada. The York University School of Continuing Studies is one of the fastest growing schools of continuing studies in Canada and North America, as a matter of fact. We offer different programs, including English language enhancement programs and also continuing education programs. They are postgraduate certificates. We have about 10 programs from which 60% of them currently qualify for students pursuing not only studies but also the opportunity to work in Canada after the graduation. We have programs such as content digital marketing, cloud operations. We have also cybersecurity, offensive cybersecurity, backend and blockchain development, and accounting and advanced accounting that qualifies for that. Those that doesn't qualify are such as human resource management, public relations, and business administration. The process of enrollment is relatively easy. Students applying for our postgraduate certificates, they must have graduated from an undergraduate program, a 4-year bachelor's degree, or even master's graduate students, they can also qualify for that. These are 1-year academic programs that allow students to enhance their curriculum, to learn new skills, and with that, we accept the students. They also have to meet that English language proficiency. If we take as a reference the IELTS, it's a 6.5 overall and no band lower than 6.0, with the exception of our backend blockchain program that we require 6.5 in all individual bands as well. The students will pay a $79 application fee, which is currently waived due to our participation in this event, and that waiving is going to be available until the November 30th. So the reason why students should consider York University School of Continuing Studies is because they will get quality of education in one of the most reputable universities in Canada. We rank currently as the 4th comprehensive university in Canada and one of the 5 best universities for international students in Canada. All of our programs allow students to learn applicable knowledge, not only theoretical. All of our programs have been designed by experts in the industry, and many of the curriculum of the programs are paired to different accreditations in their field of knowledge. The York University School of Continuing Studies partnered with Pacific Premier here in Thailand, and we trust in their services and the expertise in assessing students to apply to our program. So please contact them, and they will guide you throughout the process, and hopefully we will get you there in Toronto, Canada. Thank you very much.